Oh, look at this guy flying. Cool. Awesome. Here we go. We go to northbound. Coming in fast. Here we go. Woo! Boom! Awesome. Good catch right here. Look at out of the glare of the sun. It is going slow through here because just less than a mile up the tracks here, he's got to switch over on it to a single main. Right before Canaveral Grove, where they're making it now a double. Track flex. Listen to the rails sing. Awesome. I haven't filmed to this spot in a while, and somebody here has cleared out the brush, so now I'll be coming here more often. There you have it, guys. Joe Turbo's out. Catch you on the flip side. The next train video or whatever I upload will be awesome. Peace out.